pretties, we are super excited to introduce you to the Pretty Presets Dark and Moody collection for Lightroom. Now this collection, let's go ahead and open it up here. We've got 9 presets that are absolutely gorgeous and do exactly as the collection describes. It creates beautiful, dark, rich, moody edits with muted tones and warm skin tones. So we're not just going to talk about it, of course we're going to show you what exactly this collection can do. It's pretty amazing, you guys. Okay, so for this gorgeous image, we've already added the Dubai preset. Let's go ahead and reset it back to its original setting. So very pretty image. We want to give it that nice, deep, rich, moody edit, and of course, Pretty Presets has made that as simple as one quick click. So I'm going to click on Dubai real quick, again, before, after, super simple. And how gorgeous is that? Okay, so we're not gonna stop at one. We've got quite a few images that we're just gonna zoom through real quick here. Let's go ahead and see what Fiji does to this image. Bam! Creamy skin tones, look at that warm tone and the muted greens. Absolutely loving it. Okay, let's add Aloha, and we're going to do a little bit of an adjustment here because with our presets, there we go, real quick, before and after. Keep in mind that our presets are all completely customizable. So if you click on the preset and decide you love it, but you want to make a few changes, you can absolutely do that. So I'm just scrolling down in the adjustments panel. I'm going to click on orange and bring the saturation back up a little bit here, and of course you can make that a little brighter to lighten the skin tone, and that just allowed a little bit more warmth to show in her skin tone. So again, absolutely completely adjustable to suit each and every individual image and your style. And moving on to image number 4, we're going to add Shangri-La. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, if the exposure is not quite where you want it, we don't really touch the exposure dial here because we want that to be completely customizable to your image. Okay, so let's keep moving on. We're going to add Reverie to this image. Bam, gorgeous. Real quick, before and after. Never has the dark and moody edit been this simple and this fun. Okay, so we've got a few more edits left. I know we're super sad too, but really excited for you guys to dig into this collection and see what it can do on your images. So let's go ahead and add Gold Coast here. Look at that gorgeous pop. Absolutely amazing. Added a little bit of matte there as well. Definitely rich and moody. Okay guys, are you ready for it? This is our last edit, and we're going to use the black and white preset that comes in this collection. So we've got Lava, black and white. So rich. So creamy. Real quick before, because we know you guys love before and afters just as much as we do. And after. Okay guys, thanks so much for taking a quick look to preview the Dark and Moody collection for Pretty Presets for Lightroom. We know you guys are going to love this collection just as much as we did making it for you all. Enjoy.